You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this tree in Spanish, how it's pronounced. Originally in Spanish, the name comes from Spanish, meaning strong odor. A girl's name also. Jacaranda. Jacaranda is how it's pronounced. Jacaranda. If you cannot pronounce it in English, it's usually pronounced as jacaranda. Jacaranda. Or if it's the tree, jacaranda. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.